Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tallahassee County in central Iowa, southern Marshall County in central Iowa, southern Tama County in central Iowa, Jasper County in central Iowa, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Viney to Gilman to near Mingo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gilman, Chelsea, Elberon, and Viney around 8:30 p.m. Rock Creek Lake and Rock Creek State Park around 8:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Grinnell, Hardwick, Prairie City Kern Airport, Grinnell Regional Airport, Newton, Lambs Grove, Iowa Speedway, Malcolm, Newton Municipal Airport, Kellogg, Brooklyn, and Reesner. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 152 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Tallahassee, and Tama. This launch includes the following counties: Porter, Indiana,